Hello to everybody. Future Trend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers. This morning, 11th of March 2019, we are ready to present a technical point of view of how to trade major currencies in the world financial markets provided to us by the company FutureTrendResearch. For those of you who are looking for any kind of trading opportunities under the technical analysis of the company FutureTrendResearch, you can follow the link that you can find in the description of this video, the link that will take you to the website of the FutureTrendResearch company. So, as regarding today, we are ready to present different currency pairs. Let's start from the euro-dollar. Euro-dollar confirmed a mixed closing on Friday after a session of consolidation into the previous day's range, forming a new inside day with 113.35, 111.65 the levels to follow in the coming hours. A break of the support will favor a test of the pivotal and psychological important level of 110 area. Now the traction. The weekly closing was weak, managing however to remain above 113.15 level, but well below the 200 weeks line at 113.37. Altogether, we see that FutureTrendResearch sees a great chance for a rebound, or an extension of the one we're already seeing since the low at 111.78. So, at the moment, the company prefers to stand on the sign line. Resistances, supports, as well as the chart you can find on your screen. You can see on your screen. Euro-Swiss, another euro pair, where, by the way, FutureTrendResearch, like in the euro-dollar, has a long position. There is a long position at 170.98. Medium-term one position in the euro-dollar, and in the Euro-Swiss the long position is at the average price of 113.88. Euro-Swiss confirmed the mixed closing on Friday, however still below the 55 days line found at 113.25, suggesting further downside risk. As you could see, at the moment, FutureTrendResearch basically prefers to stay on the sideline. Resistances and supports you can find on your screens. Another one, kind of interesting, Swiss franc cross. Sterling Swiss franc confirmed the week closing on Friday, managing however to remain above the 21st days line, as well as above the 113.10 level. The weekly closing was also negative after a week of consolidation into the previous week's range, forming an inside week. At the moment, FutureTrendResearch prefers to stay also here on the sign line and advise to follow possible updates. Euro-Yen confirmed the mixed closing on Friday after 124.30 undershooting, remaining below the 55 days line at 125.12. Now short-term resistance. The weekly closing was instead weak. Possible closing next Friday below 124.27 will confirm a top for this cross. Indicators of the daily chart are still negative for now, as well as those of the weekly one that tend below the line after the previous week's strong closing. Indicators of the short-term charts are instead showing a mixed picture, suggesting some consolidation correction, with the 200 hours line at 128.20 the possible attraction. A possible move up will be corrective. We stay on the sign line waiting for higher levels to sell, told us FutureTrendResearch. At the moment, the company don't have any kind of positions in this type of cross. Dollar-Yen, another major currencies, Dollar-Yen confirmed a very weak closing on Friday, well below the 200 days line. Now again resistance and 111.38, and to say the truth, it's quite important, a quite important technical signal. However, first we have the 100 days one located at 111.36. The weekly closing was also negative, forming even a negative week reversal. A weekly closing next Friday below 110.82 will confirm it. But again, a lot will depend on incoming economic information from the United States. And don't forget that today we have a retail sales number and tomorrow inflation report, which could really put dollar yen, for example, in case of negative numbers, under additional selling pressure. The move up, as you could see, now the possible attraction is at 111.50, where, by the way, lies 200 hours line, the moving average line. The move up, if seen, will be corrective, giving us the chance for a safe selling. At the moment, Future Trend Research prefers to stay on the sideline, but waiting for a decent rebound to sell the dollar yen. Another Japanese yen cross is sterling yen. Sterling yen confirmed the weak closing on Friday in the daily as well as in the weekly chart, plunging together below the 200 days line at 144.67, which now acts as a short-term resistance. While below this line, Future Trend Research favors a resumption of the decline of this cross. The strategy of the company is to stay on the sideline, waiting for a decent rebound to sell. The 200 hours line is found only at 146.94. Probably it's a fast kind of level where you can start to sell the currency. And finally, as usually, we finish with two types of ruble crosses, which is really very important for some of our subscribers mostly from Russia, Russian-speaking subscribers. That's Euro ruble and dollar ruble. Euro ruble confirmed a further mixed closing also on Friday, while interior the symmetrical triangle, the cross isn't seen some sessions. While below the 200 days line at 75.60.80, the risk is still on the downside, and the break below 74 will resume the decline. At the moment, as you could see, Future Trend Research prefers to stay on the sideline. Dollar ruble confirmed a further relatively strong closing on Friday in the daily as well as in the weekly chart, suggesting further upside potential for this dollar. The move up is, however, finding resistance at the 100 days line, located at 66.50 to 90. At the moment, like in the Euro ruble, Future Trend Research prefers to stay on the sideline, waiting for stronger signals. The chart as well as resistances and supports for dollar ruble you can find on your screen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all of your support of our channel. We hope that this kind of information is really very important to you and useful for you. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye for now.